then I ball. I ignored a lot of calls. You ain't talking about nothing, I ain't.
I'm here, y'all. I'm here. Okay. I'm recording on my camera. I can't show y'all. And I'm recording on my live. So I'm just gonna get started. So, I didn't have any music playing. Let me go get my computer. Okay, I'm gonna get started. I'm not gonna be able to read your comments because the way I have my phone set up. So I'm just gonna explain stuff. If I do see something that I can kind of like, yay, it's so special that you, are you going to start YouTube? Yes, I'm trying to do it at the same time. So I'm recording myself on my camera and I'm doing the live. So I'm just gonna talk through it. If you have a pen and paper, please start taking notes. And again, I will leave this live up. So I'm gonna get started. I like using the MAC Strobe Cream. And then I also use the Step 1. Trying to go on my thing. Makeup Forever Skin Equalizer. It's a base mattifying primer. I use the Studio Fix Fluid from MAC. You can see that. And my shade right now is the NC45. And I take my handy dandy beauty blender. Now what I do have is I have two different beauty blenders, okay? So one I always get in a darker shade. This is for my foundation. And then the other one I use this for my lighter. This is for my concealers. So I'm just gonna go ahead. You want to do is groom your eyebrows. I use this grooming brush that I got from Sephora. It's a Sephora brand brush, and I just get you a angle brush. This is a 266 brush from MAC, and I start with an eyeshadow. This eyeshadow right here, and this is Brown Down, Brown. One of them. I'm using my Anastasia Beverly Hills DipBrow. Maybe I have it upside down. Yeah, there we go. And this one is in chocolate. So I'm using chocolate. A 212 brush from MAC. It's a 212 brush, and I'm using the MAC Studio Finish Concealer, and this one is the NC35, okay? Same thing, it's the same Studio Finish concealer from MAC. Instead, this color is an NC45, okay? And what I'm gonna do is is a 195 for MAC, okay? And I'm gonna blend out and what I like to use is my Anastasia Beverly Hills. This is in Deep, right there. And the color I'm going to use is a brush that it's a Vera brush. And I'm gonna take my concealer. I use Shape Tape, and this is from Tarte. And this color is Tan Sand, okay? And I'm just to you is my Sacha Buttercup. There, trying to get it to focus. And roller. I'm trying to get it in here. There we go. My Laura Mercier setting powder. Take a 168 brush from MAC, contour kit from Anastasia Beverly Hills, and this one is Tan Deep. And I'm gonna use this color here, which is, I don't know. Then I take a 181 brush. This is the SE brush. It was like on the travel size. The normal one is a little bit bigger. And this is a kabuki brush basically. And I'm going to blend all of that. I just take a brush. This is actually an e.l.f. stipple brush, and I like it because of the point at the end, and I just brush off any excess powder. Clear brow set from MAC, and I'm going to set my eyebrows. Okay, so now I'm gonna use my Skin Finish Mineralizer from MAC. This is Dark Tan, and it looks like that. Pretty. Will be on YouTube as well. And I hope you guys follow and subscribe. Isn't that what they say? Subscribe below. Studio Finish concealer pot for MAC. This color is the NC20 and my 212 brush, and I put this on my waterline. Get into it. I use my Fix Plus, but this is actually the Charge Water Skin Hydrating Mist from MAC. It's a bit different than just the regular Studio Fix fluid, okay? It has the... And I'm going to use my 128 brush from MAC. And my new... My favorite mascara from MAC. This is the travel size, okay? This is the In Extreme Dimension. And I love it. Add a lash, and I'm gonna use my lash. Whoa, now. Yes, this is the Cash Lash in Smolder. That's how we're gonna do that, okay? I'm gonna use my lipstick. This is the Cash Lip. This lipstick is Gunmetal. Since I have on gray today, I was like, hey, let's do a gray lip. This is one of my lipsticks from thecashbeat.com, and it's Pound the Cash Lip. Let's spray a little bit more Fix Plus. Add a little bit of moisture up in that skin. And let's make it look like something, you know? Just look like something in your life, sis. Look like something. Ooh, don't look like nothing, because I got this whole little area right here, you know? But that's it. That's how I do my makeup. That's the Cash Beat.